In this video, we are going to see that if you want to turn on or turn off data saving mode on Discord so that you can easily manage your data, especially if you're using mobile data, here is how you can do it on the PC and on the mobile as well. The options are pretty much the same. All you have to do is just click on this little gear icon. In the mobile, you will get it on the top, but in desktop application, you will get it at the bottom. And from here, we need to click on the chats in the app settings. Now just remember guys that the data consumption is particularly in the mobile applications where you will get the data consumption tag, and under that is data saving mode. You need to toggle that on. But here we have when uploaded directly to Discord, image larger than 10 MB will not be previewed. You need to enable these kind of settings in order to save your data. But here you don't get the data saving mode directly, just because mostly in PCs and laptops, you're using the direct internet via Wi-Fi. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.